The books of 1 and 2 Thessalonians are letters written by the Apostle Paul to the Christian church in Thessalonica. 1 Thessalonians encourages believers to remain faithful despite persecution. Paul praises their faith, love, and hope, urges them to live holy and disciplined lives, and emphasizes love within the community. A major theme is hope in Christ's return. Paul reassures them that believers who have died will be raised when Jesus returns, encouraging them not to grieve without hope. 2 Thessalonians addresses confusion about the timing of Christ's return. Paul clarifies that certain events must happen first and warns against false teachings. He also corrects believers who had stopped working, reminding them to live responsibly while waiting for Christ. Together, the letters focus on perseverance, encouragement, moral living, and hope, teaching believers to remain steady in faith while actively living out their responsibilities.